Guys, Huawei just dropped something that looks straight out of the future. Meet the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design, a phone that doesn't just fold, it tri-folds. Yup, this thing unfolds into a massive 10.2-inch tablet, making your regular foldables look old school. When closed, it looks like a premium smartphone, but with 2 hinges, it folds out into 3 panels, giving you the largest screen we've ever seen on a foldable. Imagine streaming Netflix, gaming, or even running 3 apps side by side on a device that fits in your pocket. And the crazy part? It's only about 3.6 millimeters thin when unfolded, thinner than most tablets. Huawei packed it with a huge battery, lightning-fast charging, and a high-end camera system built with Leica tech. The hinge design has been reinforced to last, and the build feels ultra-premium. It even has Huawei's latest HarmonyOS, optimized for multitasking on that giant display. Now here's the catch. The Mate XT Ultimate Design is insanely expensive, and because of US trade restrictions, you won't find Google services here. But let's be real, this isn't just a phone, it's a piece of futuristic tech. Huawei is showing the world what's possible in foldables, and Samsung, Apple, and even Google should be paying attention. So what do you think? Is the tri-fold Mate XT the future of smartphones, or just an expensive experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you enjoyed this, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.